It's literally around the clock. There's no set time in one box because you're juggling like home life and trying to get this business off the ground.
Make a gingerbread house that reflects you or your business.
We are One Box Meals, the UK's first Caribbean meal kit company. We provide all the required ingredients to cook and recreate authentic Caribbean dishes. The most popular is definitely our jerk chicken.
If you don't feel the tingle, we haven't done it right.
Me and Candice, we're both mums to two. In the beginning, it's communication all the time. I maybe like breastfeeding, balancing the iPad, video calls, working around the kids and just being flexible.
There's nothing worse than having like bad connection, especially when you're on the go. And with O2, we've never had that.
Having that device with you where you've got the good coverage, can get the responses back, you're not waiting to get back home to deal with something because you've got poor network, that's been very useful.
Social media does play a big part in what we do because that's how we can reach our potential customers.
For a business, you have to be quite strategic with timings of postings.
It's been useful with the iPad and being on the go, especially with school runs, in having a good connection and sufficient data that I can transfer pictures, edit them while I'm waiting. That's been so helpful to get content ready.
O2 Business has been perfect for that. And if we don't use all of our data, it just rolls over. So there's just no waste.
Like our business is really flexible, so we needed something that was going to flex with us.
Yeah. Did you just steal my pipe?
I really did. I feel like not many small businesses think to get like a O2 business contract. It's more professional, it's helpful, it's efficient.
It's the flexibility as well. Money, When you purchase from us, you become part of the One Box family.
O2, they also make it feel like a family on their part. You almost feel like O2 are cheering you on in a way, you know?
So this is the future of One Box, a potential restaurant. Roll out the black carpet. There we go. Ta-da.